JBL Bar 9.1 versus Sony HT-A7000. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video and watch the video till the end.
Here you will see. This is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about channels. JBL provided 9.1 channels with detachable speakers and Sony provided 7.1.2 channels. So JBL is better. Now let's look at the audio output power. JBL provided 820W audio output power and Sony provided 500W audio output power. So JBL is better. Now let's look at the Dolby Atmos support. Yes, this feature is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the DTS-X support. Yes, this feature is also available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the wireless subwoofer. Yes, 10 inches is available on JBL. And yes, dual built-in subwoofers is available on Sony, so JBL is better. Now let's look at the detachable subwoofers. Yes, this is available on JBL and no, this is not available on Sony, so JBL is better. Now let's look at the built-in voice assistants. No, this is not available on JBL and yes, this is available on Sony, so Sony is better. Now let's look at the streaming options. JBL provided Chromecast AirPlay 2 streaming options and Sony provided Chromecast AirPlay 2 Spotify Connect options. So Sony is better. Now let's look at the HDMI. Yes, this feature is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the build quality. The build quality of JBL is sturdy but conventional design. And the build quality of Sony is premium and sleek design, so Sony is better. Now let's look at the price. The price of JBL is estimated $999 and the estimate price of Sony is $1299. So JBL is better. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.